is a tow truck. It is very strong. It can pull other vehicles. Let's put everything together. Cabin. Wheels. Wheels. Platform. Cabin. Rope.